Right guys, welcome to another video. I haven't posted a video for a while because I was busy doing other stuff and setting up my new workbench. As you can see, I've still got quite a bit to do. This is just a start of a few things that I've got going on. So what I wanted to show you today is a new product that's just arrived, which I ordered off the internet, and it came from Hong Kong and China, and we're just going to go ahead and open it up and see what's what. So this is the old hot air station I used to use. The soldering iron stopped working years ago, but I kept using hot air station, and I just literally used it until it's kind of like on its last legs. I've got a little the A10 soldering iron there, but the problem with this thing is if I want to make YouTube videos, you will not be able to hear me over the noise this thing actually makes. So you can hear that is absolutely, I'll tell you that, I don't want to get too hot. It's way too loud, and if I was making a video with that thing running, you would not hear a word that's coming out of my mouth. So and even when you switch it off, it's even louder. So well, it's not hot enough to do that. But yeah, let's just switch this off, and I'll open the box of the new one that's arrived, and let's go through it together. Alright, so here's the box, and let's see what's in there. Well, we know what's in there, but let's just go through it. So yeah, packaging is pretty good. Yeah, 100% recycled, whatever this stuff is, a polystyrene equivalent. And then you've got this is the model of the one I've ordered, Sugon 8610DX /8620DX, so it's probably the same model. I don't know why they've got two model numbers for the same product, but that's what it is. So we'll keep the instruction manual. Hopefully it's in English, and it looks like it will be. And yeah, so far it looks quite impressive. What's this? This hot air gun Benzod Fever. I've no idea what that is. We'll have a look at that as well. Let's just take everything out of the box for now. So you got the gun on this side. That looks pretty good. And you got the actual station. Let's move this polystyrene out of the way as well. And then you got the hot air gun holder, which is, I tell you what, it's got some weight. It's pretty good. This probably could be screwed down to our workbench. Put that over there. It's some sort of earthing cable. What it hasn't got, like my other one has, it hasn't got a handle at the top to lift it out with. So I'll get it out of the box, see if we can do this together. What we do have is a bag. So let's see what else is in here. Sorry, I just was disturbed. I had somebody come see me. So yeah, there's a few of the adapters for the nozzles. What sizes do we have? We should have a pretty thin one in there, which is what we need. If not, I've got some spares which I ordered beforehand, and that should be okay. So let's get this out of the box. Put that to one side. Right. It actually does look pretty cool, doesn't it? Yeah, it does look pretty cool. Let's get it out of the bag. Put those bits in the box. Put the phone in the holder now so it doesn't shake and you don't get dizzy. So got like a protection film on there. which some people will keep on there for the rest of their lives. Like on remote controls, on TVs. What I don't like about this is, obviously living in the UK, we have a 3-pin socket. So, you know, it's just annoying that we haven't got that. But what I can do is, in the plug, this will fit into the 2-pin. So it should be okay. And there's a little adapter thing there. I don't know what that is for the earth if you need it. But we're okay. I've got a converter thing. So yeah. So see the nozzles. They can slide into place here. So if you are working and you want to change during your repairing, you can. Well, I think you can just swap, hot swap, literally, if you wanted to change the nozzle size. But it's in theory, but practically, I'm not sure how that's going to work. So yeah, you just see what I've just done. You can put it back in, pull it off, run to the next one. Pretty cool trick. I like that. That's pretty cool. So if I just put that over there for now, and that goes with it. It's got a sensor, I think. So when you actually put it down, it knows that you're putting it to rest. And yeah, it's gonna have to be put to one side because it's gonna kind of get annoying if I'm literally there. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I adjust my workspace properly. Doesn't get in the way. Like the other one I had was a pretty thin cable. I mean, this is just an outer sleeve. The actual cable inside's pretty thin. You can feed it through there. But overall, quality-wise, I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, got a good feel to it. It's definitely strong. It's not flimsy. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed. So if we look at the functions, so we've got temperature, air on the right, and you've also got these few preset temperatures. So if you've got a certain temperature you want to set it to, you can say, right, let's say for example you've got the right temperature to do a HDMI socket. You put it into number 1 and you know that that's the right temperature for doing HDMIs. This could be for a little caps or resistors, whatever you're working on, and so on. You can just figure it out as you go along. But so far so good. I'm actually going to switch it on and see how much noise this thing makes, because I don't want a noisy one. But anyway, I've got it now, so probably too late for that. But it seems to be okay. So just give me a sec. Let me see if I can plug it in. All right, let's fire it up. Okay, so we have power. Pretty cool. So let's set the temperature. Let's set it up to see how high it goes. Probably goes up to 480, 500. Right, there you go, 500. So let's just do it at 450. And set the air temperature. Let's see how high that goes up, shall we? It goes down to obviously 0. And how high does it go? 200. Okay. So let's see what difference that makes. Fahrenheit, degrees. Wow. So I think activation of the device. So let's do the temperature again. Let's set to whatever it is, 450 like we said earlier. Why does it go back down to 0? Why that keeps going down to, right, okay. So the minute you take it off, wow. I don't know if you can hear that, but that was rapid. Switch it on and it's literally, you can see that. Probably not the camera will hold it here too long, but and put it back down and you'll see the temperature. that's cooling down now. It's dropping down. Yeah, it has got a little bit of a whir, but it's not a annoying noise like my the other one that you've seen. So, and the metal plate here is pretty cool. Well, yeah, it's quite sturdy. I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest. So let's see how long it takes to actually cool down and switch off. There you go, that's done. Pull it out again, and you're off. You know, hot heat on demand. I wish the weather was like that. Right now it's minus out there. But yeah, again, there you go. That's fine. So yeah, I mean, what I'll do now is I'll probably do a repair with it. I've got to do an Xbox retimer IC shortly, so I'm going to test it out on that. I may even do a video while I'm doing it if I have time. But yeah, that looks, yeah, I'm impressed with that. I think it's a fantastic bit of kit. But yeah, if you like my video, like and subscribe as usual, and wait for the next one. Thank you.